The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is more than just an optimistic outlook, it is a powerful mindset that can shape how we experience life, respond to challenges, and pursue success. The way we think influences our emotions, decisions, and actions, making positive thinking a vital tool for personal growth and well-being. What is positive thinking? Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it involves approaching life situations with a constructive attitude, focusing on solutions rather than obstacles, and believing in your ability to overcome difficulties. It's about choosing hope over fear and confidence over doubt. The science behind positive thinking. Research in psychology shows that positive thinking can reduce stress, improve mental health, and even benefit physical well-being. Optimistic individuals tend to cope better with pressure, recover faster from setbacks, and maintain stronger immune responses. A positive mindset encourages healthier habits, such as regular exercise, better sleep, and balanced nutrition. Benefits of positive thinking. Improved mental health. Positive thinking helps reduce anxiety, depression, and negative self-talk. It promotes emotional resilience and inner peace. Better physical health. Optimism is linked to lower stress levels, reduced risk of heart disease, and improved overall health. Greater success and motivation. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take action, stay motivated, and achieve your goals. Stronger relationships. Positive people attract others. Optimism improves communication, empathy, and trust in personal and professional relationships. How to develop positive thinking. Practice gratitude. Focus daily on what you are thankful for, no matter how small. Challenge negative thoughts. Replace self-doubt with constructive and realistic alternatives. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive people and consume uplifting content. Visualize success. Imagine positive outcomes to build confidence and clarity. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and avoid dwelling on past regrets or future worries. Positive thinking in daily life. Applying positive thinking in everyday situations, work, relationships, and personal challenges can transform your perspective. Instead of seeing failure as the end, view it as a learning opportunity. Instead of fearing change, see it as a chance to grow. Conclusion. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to change not just how we see the world, but how we live in it. By cultivating a positive mindset, we empower ourselves to face challenges with courage, build meaningful relationships, and create a healthier, more fulfilling life. Positive thinking is not a quick fix, but a lifelong habit that can truly transform your future.